Okay, so I thought I would try Nightingale by Demi Lovato, and I'm sorry this is not the karaoke version, but I don't have it completely memorized, so I will be using the version with Demi Lovato singing, and I will post a better one later, I promise. Sorry, Sorry, my brother's funny. He's like in the background. He's yelling for no reason at all. It's hilarious. I think he's just being his normal self. Oh, gotta love my family. Can't sleep tonight, wide awake and so confused. Everything's in line, but I am bruised. I need a voice to echo, I need a light to take me home. I kinda need a hero, is it you? I never see the forest for the trees, I could really use your melody. Baby, I'm a little blind, I think it's time for you to find me. Can you be my nightingale? Sing to me, I know you're there. You could be my sanity, bring me peace, sing me to sleep. Say you'll be my nightingale. Body, speak to me, 'cause I'm feeling like hell. I need you to answer me, I'm overwhelmed. I need a voice to echo, I need a light to take me home. I need a star to follow, I don't know. I never see the forest for the trees, I could really use your melody. Baby, I'm a little blind, I think it's time for you to find me. Can you be my nightingale? Sing to me, I know you're there. You could be my sanity, bring me peace, sing me to sleep. Say you'll be my nightingale. What to do without you? Like a whisper, come in the room. You're with me here tonight, I am good. 'Cause can you be my nightingale? Feel so close, I know you're there. Oh, nightingale, sing to me, I know you're there. Baby, you're my sanity, you bring me peace, sing me to sleep. Say you'll be my nightingale. Thank you guys for watching, and I really hope it turned out okay, and I hope you like it. And yeah, my hair's kind of messed up, but yeah. Anyways, that is a really great song, and I love it. And what I think it's about finding hope, your guardian angel, and just finding hope mostly. And I like that song, and it really gets to me, and I really get into it when I sing it, if you didn't notice. But anyways, I hope you liked it, and bye.